It was then he spotted a small macaw chick teetering precariously on a branch, a hawk circling ominously overhead. Thumper knew he had to act fast. The hawk's sharp eyes were locked onto the helpless chick, and there was little time to lose. With adrenaline surging through his veins, Thumper devised a plan. He grabbed some fallen leaves and twigs, crafting together a makeshift decoy nest further away from the chick. With the decoy in place, Thumper began hopping around, deliberately rustling leaves and chirping a tune he learned from the birds. His aim was simple: distract the predator. It worked, as the hawk, intrigued by the sudden activity, swooped towards the foe nest, circling overhead once again. Seizing the moment, Thumper bolted to the baby macaw, gently nudging it back towards safety, urging it away from the edge of danger. The macaw chick, sensing the comforting presence of its brave rescuer, fluttered awkwardly closer to the safety of its mother, securely perched in a nearby tree. With the macaw chick now safe, Thumper took a deep breath, watching as the hawk finally lost interest, realizing the deception.